When Vishal and I set out to whiteboard on what should FirstHive be, we obviously needed a interesting project code for it, and the name that we came up with was God for this product that we were doing. And pun intended, but God really stood for good analyzer of white data. As geeky electronics engineers that we were, for us, it all started with this image of the consumer and the brand touching, and at that point there is an explosion of intelligence. But if as an enterprise you don't have the right antenna to capture all of that insight at that moment, all that intelligence is then dispersed and lost, and it just becomes white noise. And therefore, the starting point of building an intelligent platform like FirstHive was to start with a good antenna that can bring in all of that intelligence inside. And that's how, to us, God was really the origin of the FirstHive story. It might be a little bit of a fallacy to look at FirstHive and Eddy as two different things. I think for us, what we are delivering with Eddy now on FirstHive is, to me, the realization of the vision with which we started FirstHive. The whole opportunity stroke challenge that we saw in the market, I would say there were possibly like three drivers of opportunity challenge that we saw in the market. The first was, enterprise stack was fairly siloed, distributed systems capturing different contexts and different breadcrumbs of customer information and experience. But not all of this information intelligence was portable, and therefore the enterprise didn't really know what was happening with the customer. It had limited point of views within a channel on what the consumer was doing, but not really a holistic view. The second challenge was that marketers had made peace with the fact that 95% of the effort would not succeed. And somehow that status quo did not make sense to me, and that was something that I felt needed to get challenged. And the third was, while you have all of this data captured and while you connected all of these different systems to bring transaction identity and behavioral information together, what you also needed was to be able to operate at scale, to be able to personalize it in real time. And for that, what you needed was not a reactive, passive system where humans would be able to come in and define segments and then campaigns, and then retrospectively look back at how campaigns performed and then go back and tweak those campaigns. But what you needed was a real-time brain, something that could orchestrate and navigate your ship to success as you are traversing the oceans, and not something that you can only look back every once in a while to sharpen your campaigns. And I think these were the three broad drivers of what we started FirstHive with, which is A, you needed to be able to bring in all intelligence that is available at the point of interaction between the consumer and the brand into the enterprise. 2, you need to be able to process it and deliver a unified information plane of which all customer experience can operate from. And 3, you needed the capacity and the capability to be able to take autonomous decisions to deliver meaningful customer experiences that are consistent, cohesive, and contextual for the customer every single time that they interact with the brand, and for every single customer at scale. And for this, you needed a system of intelligence that's able to both operate at the data level and operate at the decision level. And I think that is what we set out building FirstHive for. And today with Eddy, I think we are much closer than ever before to realizing this vision. For me, Eddy is the best ever avatar of FirstHive, where we are bringing all of that capability and truly becoming a partner, almost like a Jarvis to the Iron Man, for the marketers and for the customer experience teams in enterprises, to help them really truly take control of these customer experiences that are getting delivered by the brand for its consumers, and then actively navigate them to get to the marketing objectives. With Eddie, FirstHive moves from being an already really great platform from a data platform standpoint, where it consolidates customer identity, delivers a unified data plane, and delivers all of the capabilities around marketing automation, customer experience orchestration. With Eddie, what we brought in is the ability to go from a great execution partner to a proactive intelligence partner. What this means is we would want Eddie to be the layer that delivers baseline performance for the enterprise. And a great marketer then comes in with supervised capabilities to further push it. Whether it is, how should my ROAS improve next quarter? How should we drive our customer engagement to improve renewal rates? How do we drive better uptake on a specific inventory category? How do I sell more ancillary services on my travel booking? All of these are business questions that today we expect humans to have the ability to process the vast amount of intelligence that resides in these systems, and then to be able to come up with the right hypothesis at the right time and design campaigns. With Eddie, we want to simplify that process. It's been an exciting journey for us at FirstHive. Over the last few years, we've had the privilege of being partners to some of the largest brands in the world, process incredible amount of data for our customers, and I want to thank you for the partnership and look forward to accelerating success for you with this FirstHive Eddie launch. So time to meet Eddie.